Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you how to compress and minify your XML file directly inside VS Code. So there is an extension which lets you do this. If you right click, it will add this option right here, Minify XML, right in the context menu. So this will makes it very much easy for you to minify any XML large file, and as soon as you select this option, your XML code will be minified. You will see all the white space will be removed here. So this is the extension. Just go to the extensions tab, and right here if you just type here XML tools, so the very first extension which comes right here, this is the extension that I'm talking about. So it's almost used by 8 million developers. It provides you with XML formatting, Minify tools as well, but minification, it does the job for you. So once you activate this extension, so if you have a very large XML file, simply right click and then it will add this option XML tools minify XML. So once you do this, automatically your XML file will be minified. So in this easy way, you can use this extension and it does the job very easily. Right click, instantly your XML file will be minified and compressed to a smaller file. So this is the extension, definitely use it. And also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.